Here's the affiliate marketing tutorial beginners need to make more money faster and easier. Stick with me till the end, and I'll tell you how to get my free ebook that will put you on the fast track to success in affiliate marketing. If you are a beginner affiliate marketer, or maybe you are in affiliate marketing but struggling to make more money, it's for you. Hi, I'm Joe Barclay, coming to you again today from our home here on beautiful Loon Lake up in the Adirondacks. I've been making money online full-time for over 20 years. I love affiliate marketing. It is my top recommendation for marketers of all experience levels. With the right training and right marketing, and by promoting the right opportunity, anyone can build both time and money freedom in minimal time in affiliate marketing. Hey, if you are new to my YouTube channel, please be sure to click the subscribe button right now and hit the notification bell too. I post several new videos every week about affiliate marketing. I know you'll want to get the information. Also, I hope you will support my YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up. Hit the like button also to let YouTube know this is the kind of content you like. And if you do have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. I do read and respond to all of them. So, in case you are new to affiliate marketing, it's where you sell someone else's product or service and earn a commission. It's the one online business you can start almost immediately and make money the same day. The right affiliate opportunity will be simple, lucrative, low cost to start, and by leveraging the power of automation the right way, only take minutes a day. You can work from wherever you want to be. I even build my affiliate marketing business while I'm out sailing. Do it right, and you can generate both rapid cash flow and substantial long-term recurring or passive income too. That's money that comes in month after month from the sales you make each day. Affiliate marketing is ideal for busy people. Anyone can do it. No previous experience is necessary. But you need the right affiliate opportunity and much more. And that's where my free ebook comes in. It's called the Affiliate Marketing Success Blueprint, and it's just that. With my free ebook, you will learn how to start affiliate marketing the right way and make more money. Unfortunately, this is the most common place affiliate marketing beginners set themselves up for failure. They don't start right. They jump in and join an affiliate opportunity without realizing that the business itself is probably not the biggest key to your success. Don't get me wrong, there are a number of good affiliate opportunities, but no matter how good the opportunity is, your odds of success are slim at best without also having a good marketing system, excellent training, and personal mentoring. You need to know how to automate your marketing, attract a volume of interested prospects every day, and, most importantly, convert a large percentage of them into sales. And that's why you need my free ebook. The Affiliate Marketing Success Blueprint is a clear and proven path to follow. It's based on my more than 2 decades of making money online. I share proven ways you can make more money in affiliate marketing, again, even without previous experience. I reveal how to create both money freedom and time freedom too, marketing other people's stuff. I reveal the big problem in our industry and share a proven solution, as well as the big hurdle every affiliate marketer must overcome and how to do it. By following what's in the ebook, you can take the fast track to success by just copying what works. It's really that simple. The ebook is a free download. No credit card is required. I encourage you to get your copy of the ebook now. I'm not sure how much longer I will be able to offer it for free. Follow what's in it, and you will be on the path to success. To download your free ebook, go to affiliatemarketingsuccessblueprint.com.